In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CS2 not launching from Steam. If Counter-Strike 2 refuses to open, crashes immediately, or just seems stucky when you try to launch it from Steam, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it can be fixed with a few simple checks. In this guide, I'll walk you through a couple of reliable troubleshooting methods that can help get the game running again. The first thing you should do is verify the game files in Steam. This is one of the most effective fixes because sometimes CS2 won't launch if certain files are missing, damaged, or didn't install correctly during an update. To do this, open Steam and go to your library. Find Counter-Strike 2 in the list of games, then right-click on it and select Properties. From there, go to Installed Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will begin scanning the game and checking everything against the official version. If it finds any corrupted or missing files, it will automatically replace them. This process may take a few minutes, so just let it finish completely before trying to launch the game again. If that doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to restart Steam and your computer. Sometimes the problem isn't the game itself, but a background Steam process, a temporary system issue, or something that didn't load properly. First, completely exit Steam. Make sure it's fully closed and not still running in the system tray. After that, restart your PC. Once your computer boots back up, open Steam again, but this time launch it as administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges can help if the game is being blocked from starting due to permission issues. To do that, right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator, then try opening CS2 again from your library. These are some of the most common and practical ways to resolve the problem when CS2 won't launch from Steam. They're simple, safe, and often enough to fix the issue without needing any advanced troubleshooting. Hopefully, after following these steps, your game is working properly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.